Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can submit the satisfaction survey in the Zaful application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the satisfaction survey button. And as you can see, here's a bunch of questions. For example, how likely is it that you would recommend Zaful to a friend or colleague? And then you can submit your answer from 1 to 10. Obviously, 1 is the worst and then 10 is the best. So by clicking on the number, you can submit that answer. And other times you have to select if you were very satisfied or very unsatisfied or somewhere in between with things. So for example, I'm just scrolling through, and you can find like quality related question or shopping payment related, and here you can add any further comments or suggestions, and you can also give them your email if you have any further questions. And if not, then just click on the submit button, and then your feedback is sent. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.